Welcome back, Alley Cats. And if you're not an Alley Cat, subscribe, become one. Join the kitty litter. It's not as gross as it sounds. I haven't said that in a long time. In a really long time. I haven't filmed in so long, guys. This feels weird. I feel real weird right now. You guys have probably been wondering, where the hell have I been? Well, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you everything. So from the title and from the intro, you can probably guess. And the short that I released, I'm sitting right now, inside of my own salon. It's crazy. I'm sitting inside of the Beauty Bond. This is a salon that I co-own, as you know, if you've watched my previous videos, like our Brick House vlogs, then you'd know that the Beauty Bond was formed last year. It is a makeup and skin company, and we formed it together with my best friend, Kara. That was our beginning. You know, we started the company and we knew we wanted to work together. We didn't know where everything was going to take us. And we had some bumps in the road, you know. We had to figure out our place, where we belonged, where we wanted to go with the business. I'm thankful for those bumps in the road, you know? They taught us a lot. And it led us to our own place, which I'm looking around at right now. It's crazy. Back in like February, I think, or March, is when we actually bought the place. And that's when we started renovating it, because I'm gonna have to throw some befores in here. You'll see them, maybe right now. It definitely was a fixer-upper. This place before was actually like a medical record storage. It had like a ton of like medical records and stuff in here. Just files upon files piled up. And the walls were like a really like old, dingy color, and like nothing had been touched in a long time, you could tell. And the floors were like this horrible carpet. It's like unspeakable at this point. God, we've changed so much in here. I hope I find some really good before videos so you can really see. And then of course I'm gonna be throwing in some more afters so you can see the space right now. Hopefully while I'm yapping would be a good time to do that. Editing, Alyssa. Yeah, it was a lot of work. It was months of work. We had a lot of help, so it wasn't just us. It was my boyfriend Steve, it was Kara's fiance Jason, our friends. We're so thankful for everyone, like everyone along the way. I'm so proud of us. We've come so far, and we've like jumped a million hurdles to get here. And I don't even mean just like professionally, I mean like personally, like in our lives, what we've been through, both of us, like Kara and I have been through so much, and the way we've overcome is incredible. To keep pushing, because a lot of people who have been through things that we've been through, it's hard. It's hard to push through, and we did. And it's amazing. Like, it's crazy. I'm proud of her as just her own being and everything she's been through and what she's accomplished and continues to accomplish. And she's just a boss. Like, she's a mom of 2 beautiful little girls. She bosses up. And like, I was ready to boss up too. And we just did it together. And we were like at that point in our lives where we were just gonna take the reins and go, and just go. And that's what we did. And it's just like, it's just crazy how our lives ended up matching up in a way that we were both ready at the same time to push. I'm gonna try not to get emotional. This is a long time coming, and we're here. We're here. So the room I'm in, this is the beauty room. This is where we do the makeup. So Kara and I both have a station in here. You're gonna see both of them. Then we have like a little seating area that way our clients can bring their family members along and they can grab a seat and they can watch during. Like, a lot of people love to watch us do makeup. We have a little desk in here, a little reception area, so we can check people out and we can organize our files and our client intake forms. We have retail areas. One is right next to this coffee area that we're so proud of. We have all like the coffee supplies, a fridge with water. We have snacks for people. We just tried to make it as homey and comfortable as possible, so people just walk in and they're like cozy and like they feel like they're in a really happy, safe place. That's what I want for everyone that walks in here. And then we have a retail cabinet. We decided to carry Image skincare. So I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but it is an amazing skincare line. I might make a separate video on the products we carry and why we carry them, but that is the professional skin line that we use here. We don't use a certain makeup line. We use a myriad of products from drugstore to high-end, in between. Like, we have everything. We do airbrush makeup, special effects makeup, photography. Of course, bridal makeup is number one. That is the number one bread maker here. And especially this season. The season is insane. I mean, that's really what we do in this beauty room. In the aesthetic room, so I don't think the lighting in here is going to be as good as out there. We keep it a little more like relaxing and like mood lighting in here, so people feel very like cozy and comfy and just relaxed when they walk in here. That's why we have the twinkle lights, which we are both so very proud of. That's like my favorite part. I love staring up at them. They're just so pretty and just, they make me so happy to look at them. And I hope other people feel that way too when they walk in here. It's just like, oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. By the way, decor wise, that was all Kara. So, because I'm not the one. I am not great with decor, but I of course appreciate a beautiful aesthetic, but like, to put the effort into my own place, I don't know about that. So yeah, the aesthetic room. My absolute favorite part is the fact that we can do aesthetics in here. Like, finally, like, okay, I'm gonna link a video that will explain a little more of my past and a little more about this, but I became an esthetician in 2015, technically licensed beginning of 2016. I was in a car accident the very beginning of 2016, and it made it so I didn't work for like 2 years, and not for 3 years on my feet. Like, the first 2 years couldn't work. Long story, so I'm not gonna deep dive into that right now. But so I didn't get to use my license. I didn't get to use my aesthetics license at all. The rest of the story is a long story, but you know, it leads to right now, right here, where I can finally use my aesthetic license. And I've been using it. I have been giving lash extensions, lash lifts, facials, dermaplaning, waxing, you know, the whole 9 yards. Like, I've been able to do everything. Like, finally. Oh, I missed it. It's incredible to finally be able to use that knowledge and education and training and put it to use, and for the first time is inside of my own place. Like, sorry, I'm gonna just a little, okay. But yeah, so what goes on in here? A lot. I started to cover it. One of my absolute favorite things to do is dermaplaning. If you guys don't know what that is where you use a sharp surgical blade and you graze it along the skin, and it's a form of exfoliation, physical exfoliation. And it also takes off all of the vellus hairs on your skin, which I did recently, so I'm very smooth right now. And it's just one of my absolute favorite things, especially for brides. We definitely try and get our brides to do dermaplaning before their wedding, because it is a game changer for how the airbrush makeup lays. It lays so beautifully. Like there's no touching how makeup lays on smooth skin versus the vellus hair. So yeah, that's one of my absolute favorites, but there's so many things. Like we do chemical peels, all different types of facials. Our website is so cute. I'm gonna leave a link so you guys can all check out our social media and our website. But the way we have our facial set up is like an ice cream bar. So that's how you choose it. You like choose your size of the ice cream, and that's the length of the service. You choose the flavor, and that's the type of facial. And then you choose your add-ons, and you know, instead of like sprinkles and stuff like that, it's more like you want to add on a peel, you want to add on like high frequency, a jade roller, or just, you know, anything like that. So I think it's so cute how we have it set up. So hopefully you guys check it out. Even if you're not in the area, just look at it. Just look at it. It's cute. I put a lot of work into it. This is a salon suite, and it's a 2-room suite. So 2 big rooms, and we have our own bathroom. We do have a booth renter too, by the way. I didn't mention that, but we do have a booth renter. Her name's Jen. She's amazing, and she's renting a booth that's adjacent to our booth right here. And she does aesthetics as well. So that's her space over there. But yeah, so it's not a storefront salon like where you would walk in off the street. We do by appointment only, and it's just our own like private place, and we invite people in, and I love it. I love it. I just feel like there's so much to say, but I just also don't want this video to be 30 minutes long, and I feel like it's getting there. So I'm gonna try and cut it short here. But if you want videos on how to start your own salon suite, how to price services, how to price your retail, choosing a skincare line, if you want actual videos of facials, peels, microdermabrasion, dermaplaning, waxing videos, extraction videos. I am a weird pimple popper. I like it, and I'm calling myself weird, so I'm definitely not calling any of you weird, because trust me, I love popping videos. I love them. Yeah, if you guys want to see anything like that, just let me know, because I'm not sure if you guys are interested in that, because a lot of the videos I've posted prior have been very focused on makeup and more extreme makeup looks. So I don't know if you want more of that, which I'm craving a look. I'm craving like creating a look. It's been a long time. Or if you want more salon focused videos, if you're estheticians and you want to learn more about this, like please comment down below and let me know what direction to go with the channel. I feel like I'm at a pivotal point where I could go either way, so, or if you want both, just let me know. But I'm just so excited to be back, and I missed you guys. I really did. I'm so excited. I can't wait to just take you further on this journey with me and where we go, because trust me, we have big plans. Thank you for being patient with me while I was gone as well. And thank you for like all the new subscribers. I've gotten quite a few new alley cats. Welcome. Here's my first video finally back. Thank you for subscribing. I'm really happy to have you. And yeah, just let me know where I should go from here, and I'm gonna take you with me. So I'm getting emotional. I don't know why. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.